What if I told you that you aren't actually in control of your own body? Right now, your brain has already decided to click off this video, and you don't even know it yet. Science has discovered a terrifying 7-second delay between your brain making a choice and your conscious mind actually feeling like it made the decision. This means that for your entire life, you've been a passenger in a vehicle you thought you were driving. But that is just the tip of the iceberg. Today, we are diving into the most unsettling, mind-bending facts about our world that will make you question everything you see. From the hidden giant pulling our galaxy toward a dark void, to the ancient king who was so rich he broke the global economy. Let's start with the scale of your own insignificance. Right now, as you sit there, the entire Milky Way galaxy is being dragged through space at an incredible 1.4 million miles per hour. We are being pulled towards something called the Great Attractor. It is a gravitational anomaly so massive, it's tugging on thousands of galaxies. The kicker? We can't even see what it is because it's hidden behind the zone of avoidance, a thick wall of gas and dust from our own galaxy. Speaking of things we can't see, let's talk about the biological entity you call yourself. If we were to count every cell in your body, you would find something disturbing. You are more bacteria than you are human. About 50 to 90% of the cells in your body are microbial. You are essentially a walking, talking coral reef of bacteria, fungi, and viruses. They control your cravings, they influence your mood, and they even dictate your immune system. You aren't an individual, you are a highly complex biological colony. If you find this level of hidden knowledge fascinating, you are the kind of person who deserves to stay ahead of the curve. Hit that subscribe button right now to join a community of thinkers who refuse to live in the dark. Your journey toward true wealth starts with a single click. Now, let's look back at history. We often think of modern billionaires like Musk or Bezos as the pinnacle of wealth, but they are paupers compared to Mansa Musa, the 14th century ruler of the Mali Empire. During his pilgrimage to Mecca, he carried so much gold that he gave it away to every poor person he met. He caused massive inflation that crippled economies for over a decade. He is the only man in history to personally control the price of gold. But gold isn't the only thing the Earth hides. We have better maps of the surface of Mars and the Moon than we do of our own ocean floor. Over 80% of the ocean remains unmapped, unobserved, and unexplored. Deep in the Mariana Trench, the pressure is so high it would feel like having an elephant stand on your thumb. Yet, life thrives there. We are finding creatures that don't need sunlight, that live off toxic chemicals, and that look like nightmares. And what about the way you experience time? Have you ever noticed that when you're scared, time seems to slow down? This is called the oddball effect. Your brain doesn't actually slow down time, it just records more information. On the flip side, as you get older, years seem to go by in a flash because you have fewer new experiences. To your brain, your childhood felt like an eternity, but your 30s will feel like a weekend. It's all about how much data your brain processes. This leads us to a chilling psychological phenomenon, the spotlight effect. Most people spend their lives paralyzed by what others think of them. But the truth is, everyone else is too busy worrying about themselves to notice your mistakes. But why are we even here? This brings us to the dark forest theory regarding alien life. The universe is billions of years old, yet we haven't heard a single peep from another civilization. This is the Fermi paradox. The dark forest theory suggests the universe is like a dark forest at night. Every civilization is an armed hunter. If they find another life form, they eliminate it before it becomes a threat. We are broadcasting our location to the void, unaware of the danger. Finally, let's talk about the very fabric of our existence, simulation theory. High-level physicists argue that the odds we are living in the base reality are billions to 1. If one simulation exists, millions will. Mathematically, it is almost certain we are currently inside a simulation. Every coincidence you experience, every glitch in the matrix, might just be a line of code stuttering in a cosmic supercomputer. Reality isn't what it seems. If you want to keep peeling back the layers, make sure you've subscribed and turned on notifications. Don't be a passenger, start questioning the driver. Until next time, stay curious.